Family, friends, and folks, good afternoon. I'm here in this beautiful place. They call it Mayfield Garden, and it's really nice and beautiful. This garden is. So this afternoon, I would like to talk to you what the topic: why spending time outside, especially in nature, is beneficial for you. Living close to nature and spending time outside has a significant and wide-ranging health benefits, according to new research from University of East Anglia. The report, which has been published, it says that exposure to green spaces reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, premature death, preterm birth, stress, and even hypertension. So people living closer to nature also had reduced diastolic blood pressure, heart rate, and stress. According to research, they don't know exactly what is the relationship that causes between the green spaces and health. Meanwhile, exposure to green spaces like this one will help yourself, expose yourself to diverse variety of microorganisms that are present in natural areas and may have benefits for the immune system and reduces inflammation. Research suggests in Japan that trees release a compound called phytoncides or phytoncides, they call it. This is an organic compound with an antibacterial properties. That is why the Japanese practice, which is called Shinrin Yuko or forest bathing, is good for physical and mental well-being. It is proven to reduce stress hormone production, improve feelings of happiness, and free up creativity, as well as lower the heart rate and blood pressure, and also boost immune system, and also accelerate recovery from illness. So, phytoncide, which was coined by a Russian doctor by the name of Boris Tokin in 1928, which means exterminated by the plant. Now, this is an antimicrobial allochemic volatile organic compound which derived from the plants like this. Phytoncides, when people breathe in these chemicals, our body responds by increasing the number of white blood cells, the activity and the production, especially the natural killer cells, which has the ability to kill the cell tumor or even the virus cells that has been infected in our bodies. That's why it's really beneficial and good to spend time in nature under the trees like this. No wonder that even Jesus spent his time most of his time in the mountain and even in the garden to pray. This is to boost his immune system so he could fight the infectious disease called sin. So while waiting for his second coming, he promised to us a heavenly kingdom with a beautiful garden like this one, where the river of life and the tree of life bringing 12 fruits for us to enjoy so we can have a long life. So meanwhile, while waiting for his soon return, let us do what he did. So whenever you are, wherever you are, now spend time in nature that surrounds you. So that's what we can get. So bathe yourself with nature and you will get a lot of benefit for your health. So thank you very much for listening and hope see you next time again. God bless.